I'm making Easter bunnies! Would you like to make one with me? Let's make Easter bunny today. Blabina. What color is your Easter bunny going to be? Mine is going to be white. You take your toilet paper roll, place it onto paper and trace it around. Trace it with the pencil. Trace it. There. You end up with a circle. Now, the next thing you need is one of your fingers. You can use little finger, ring finger, middle finger, pointy finger. So, I'm going to use my little finger. Put it on the paper, on the top of your circle, and trace it around. If you don't want to use your fingers, you can take another toilet paper roll, squeeze it in the middle, squeeze, and then bend it like this. Put it at the top of your circle and trace that around. One. Yeah, and then you end up with ears like this. Or if you use your fingers, you'll have ears like this. When you cut it out, if it's a bit tricky, call your grown-up, okay? Grown-up! 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 Oh wait, I'm a grown-up. I am using pom-poms to make his nose. For the whiskers, I'm going to use black crayon and draw 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, around his nose. That's fantastic! Now he needs eyes. I'm using googly eyes. Now he needs mouth. I'm going to give him pink mouth and do 2 little half moons like this. And if you really want to, you can draw his teeth. 2 little rectangles. Now, inside of his ears, we need to color that in. I'm going to do it with pink. Pink. Color this in, color this in, color this in. Ta-da! Yeah! You know what? I have been thinking, do you know where Easter Bunny comes from? I don't. But I know who will. My friends Pippa and Oscar. On the count of 3, let's shout their names. Pippa and Oscar. But we have to be really loud because they live all the way in Germany. 1, 2, 3, Pippa! Oscar!
Hi, we are Pippa and Oscar, and together we are the Spielzeuglollis!
Hi everybody! Look, we found our little Easter bunnies. Did you know that in the 17th century, there was a German doctor who first mentioned the Easter bunny? Oscar, what does Easter bunny mean in German?
Osterhase.
Osterhase? Osterhasen? Osterhasen? So, Easter Bunny was first mentioned in Germany. Did you hear me? You come from Germany. And to say Easter Bunny in German, it's Osterhasen. Osterhasen. Osterhasen? Am I saying it right? Let's listen to it again.
Hi everybody! Look, we found our little Easter bunnies. Did you know that in the 17th century, there was a German doctor who first mentioned the Easter bunny? Oscar, what does Easter bunny mean in German?
Osterhase.
Thank you, Pippa and Oscar, for telling us where Easter Bunny comes from. Who knew they were discovered in Germany? Pippa and Oscar had lots of fun. To watch their videos, look for this picture and subscribe to their channel. And then we can all be friends, all of us together. Now it's your turn to make your Easter bunnies. When it's finished, take a picture and send it to me, or post it on social media and tag me in it, and I will show it in my next episode. Yes. That would be so much fun. Next, we are going to make something very dangerous. It's an animal that lives in water, specifically in ocean water. I'm being eaten by a shark. Yes, it's a shark. Blue shark. Nom. If you want to make it with me, this episode, and we can learn more about sharks. Don't forget, you are smart, you are amazing, and you anything. See you next time. Blabina.